Bonjour and welcome to Tesla Supercharger Adventures. My name is Piper Blush and today we're gonna review this super awesome charger. It comes with a whole bunch of amenities like the Safeway. Also, well, there's more Tesla Superchargers there. I think we have a few lined up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's always a pair, you know? You always have these numbers. It's either like on the dot or not on the dot. Now the thing is, I was wanting to go to Best Buy, yeah. And while I was wanting to go to Best Buy, I had to charge my car. So I found this place out of nowhere. A lot of hobos. There's even somebody that lives in their van over there. We don't live in our van, but I mean, that's cool. So far, so good. I like this Tesla Supercharger because it comes with a grocery basket. So you can actually go do your grocery. I'll note this down. Now for cleanliness, I would not give it like the best review because I wanted to park there, but there's glass there. So that's kind of dangerous. But I like the fact that you can go eat some bagels. While you're stressing out about your car maybe getting broke into, well, there's a huge lineup and you have to wait. Just prolong the stress. And there's this kind of like drone surveillance going on over there. So I like that too. I think this is gonna be a great supercharging experience. Also, since there's a lot of people at the supercharger right now, well, we're gonna only charge to 80%. Yeah, we can't go more. So that's what we're gonna do. Noted. So all in for all, I would give this Tesla Supercharger adventure a rating out of 10 stars. I would go for 4 because I'm a bit scared, not just for the car, but for myself. Do I get raped or does the car get raped? Hey, you might have noticed, I'm wearing my sneakers. That's because, well, San Francisco is a lot of hills, up and down. Bye, car. See you later. There's cool things that I'm gonna try out, like the Waymo. I haven't tried it yet. And I know it's not like Tesla, but still, Waymo is great. I've heard good things about it.
But if you like what you hear, then hit that subscribe button, please. I might not have money or the fancy car, but I got this beat in my heart and my
What's that funny? Can you make